Shantanu, start.
So market means we were going to any where go gone to give any thing, it is our vegetables or fruits or some things they we have in our day to day life. But there is a today is Nangaon's bazaar means there is so many population in Nandgaon because there is a they normally the pollution pollution is create because the cars and bikes are come and there is so many pollution is create. But there is some people are uh, sell they are come to Nandgaon and he have some vegetables, and that time there is normally some vegetables are dirty or they do not have very nice, so they throw on the river, in the river or on the road. It is not right, but no one people are speak them, please do not throw them. But it is a very big pollution in India, in Nandgaon. And we were going to gone to market. There is a so many peoples are through so many carry bags of books or some things bags in market. They There is sometimes some people we were going to market, that time the sale is come my father or mother is going to gone to market, that time the shopkeeper said cost is 300 or 400. So our any people said please give me 250 rupees or 200 rupees, because there is a the shopkeeper is said okay, or because the we some people said you will sometimes the shopkeeper is a very kind, so he's give them. But sometimes he do not kind, that time he said you will get to get not you are going next market, the shopkeeper said. But we were my father is come that time, my father was come that time, we were going to market. There is a most we were going to market uh, to give books or some school things or some things, vegetables, fruits, or some things, some eating type things, or some studying type of things. But sometimes we do not go to market, but the main part in the bazaar day, there is the so many peoples are come, that time the the school children are gone go on a cycle, and that time there is so many cars or bikes are come, that time the accident sometimes the car or a cycle is there is the accident is come, sometimes it is sometimes in in Thursday's bazaar, uh, but in Nango there is a do no police are come, but we can see in our
Police
future.
comes. That's right. Shantanu, police comes.
Okay, sir. Police comes that time. People do not people where do not uh, create some pollution or some things, but there is a do not police do not comes that time, they create so many pollutions.